guys, for today's videos, mag-emotion challenge ta. Kanang trending karon nga emotion challenge. So ang atong linya is, babe, magpainit ta. Wow! Ano atong line for today's challenge. Alright? First is in a supportive ways. So saan na to? Babe, magpainit ta! Diba? Second is in disappointment ways. Babe, magpainit ta. Sunod is in sarcastic ways. Babe, magpainit ta. Sarcastic pa to. Basta mauna to siya. And next is in suko, angry. Babe, magpainit ta. Suko yun. Then next one is in a flirty way. Babe, magpainit ta, babe. Tira na. Babe, magpainit ta. Okay, goods na siguro to. Reels na to. Thank you for watching.